I am Bagsy. I was asked to judge the under 15s art entries this year on the theme happiness. Thanks to everyone who competed, and here are the results. And in third place is... I really love this piece. It reminds me of going along the beach and collecting shells as mementos of the day. It really does speak happiness to me in days out with friends and family and memories. I think this is a lovely collage and a lovely way to express happiness. And in second place is... I love the motto of this piece, that don't worry, be happy. I think after all the worrying that we've done over the last year and a half, this piece is breathtaking. I love the colours. I love that it really preaches positivity and, most importantly, happiness. And in first place is... To me, this piece speaks about happiness. The happiness can be both inside and outside. I think this is the most powerful piece and the deserving winner of first place in the happiness category.